Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'm going to show you how to speed ramp in Final Cut Pro. So let's jump in and show you how to do that. Alright, so first import your clip. Alright, so I'm just going through skimming where I want to make my cuts. So right here, Shift B, you make one cut. And then let me go a bit more back. Right here, Shift B, and make a second cut. And now you could adjust the length. So I sped this up, and then you could adjust the transition between. So move that to right or left to make the transition smoother or longer. You know, just play with it. So I like to do either you do the fast in the middle. Or you could slow the middle down, so it's like a slow-mo. So let's slow this down. Cool, so it'll be normal speed, then boom, you slow down. And then back to normal speed. Alright, or you could speed up the beginning and end. Like this. I need more clip though, so let me extend this. Yeah, let me extend this clip some more. Okay, so there we have more. Let's see how this looks. Yep, so it looks a lot better. Let me just extend the end too. Boom. Fast and slow. Boom, fast again. That's how you speed ramp in Final Cut Pro. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.